guys, Kaden just left for work. I was just coming on here to tell you guys that we're supposed to have a really bad storm tomorrow, and it's April, like a snowstorm, and it's April already. I'm just wondering if we're even gonna have spring this year. Literally, I'm actually wondering that. It's been snowing a lot. Like, it hasn't been snowing like a lot of days in a row, but it's been snowing a lot, like when it does snow. So that sucks. So yeah. Oh yeah, and then later tonight we're gonna go grocery shopping because we literally have no groceries. And yep, that's pretty much it. And Blue's looking outside like always because she's a chismosa, which means she's like an eavesdropper.
Hi guys, I'm home from work right now. I came home to this delicious dinner. It's just awesome chicken. I don't know what kind of seasoning's on here, but it's good. Sriracha. Alright, and then we got some homemade rice by Selena here. That stuff's really good too. And then she also made me some scalloped potatoes. Homemade. They're really good too. I love them. It's a really good meal. She's a good cook and I'm lucky to have her.
Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. That was so sweet, babe. Do you want to tell him deuces? Hey guys, I just got ready. Deuces. And Kaden looks like a monkey.
A monkey? What are you talking about?
Because he just got off of work and there's like metal stuff all over.
Metal dust.
Hear that? And yeah, it's, what time is it?
3:18.
He has to squanch down because I'm too short. I was like about to say because I'm too tall. Anyways, we're going to the grocery store and it's what time?
3:18.
It's 3:18 to be exact. So yeah, we're going to get the groceries because we don't have any, and then we don't want to be hungry during the storm because we're probably not going to go out.
Yeah.
Well, actually we are going out. We're going to Lulu's appointment.
We're getting her microchipped.
Yeah.
And then I have to go to work at 11.
Yeah, so he's just not going to go to sleep.
Nope, I'm going to stay up all night.
Oh yeah, her appointment's at 9 in the morning, and it's like 3 something already, so yeah, he's just gonna stay up. I'll probably like fall asleep sometime. Okay.
Anyways, we're off to the grocery store. Ivy, here we come.
You can get 4. I go. Is that good? No. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
We're going to take Balulu's to get microchipped now. Blue, are you so
Sorry.
Blue, are you so excited? Are you so excited?
She doesn't know what's actually coming.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Hopefully it doesn't hurt too bad because otherwise I'll probably cry.
I don't think it'll hurt her that bad.
So yeah.
It's just a shot. Stay.
Okay, Blue. I'll give you another one. This is not a treat, see? Not food. Not food. Not food.
We're in the middle of the storm. Just kidding, it's just windy.
Hasn't started yet.
It barely started snowing and it's 12 p.m. and it was supposed to start snowing at like 6 or 7 a.m. But it's snowing now and there's like basically no snow on the ground right now. So yeah, and it's really, really windy.
Hi guys, it's Caden. I'm just coming home from work and I don't know if you guys can see very well, but I can't. It's so white out. Blizzard, I can't hardly see anything. And all this snow just happened in like an hour and a half. This is the worst storm we've had all year, and it's April. It's kind of ridiculous. They sent me home early from work. It should be springtime. I think got a little confused here. Someone needs to tell Mother Nature to get back on track.